This video is for informational purposes only and not investment advice. Please note that all content shared here is meant purely to educate and inform. Ever wondered which exchange is right for your trading journey? Whether you're eyeing traditional stocks on platforms like the NYSE or diving into the fast-paced, 24/7 world of cryptocurrencies with massive daily volumes? Exchanges are the core platforms where traders buy and sell assets like stocks or cryptos. We'll explore centralized giants like Binance, decentralized innovators such as Uniswap on Ethereum, and historic stock exchanges like the NYSE, founded in 1792 with over $25 trillion in market cap. Centralized exchanges, or CX, provide user-friendly mobile apps and incredibly high liquidity, like Binance, launched in 2017, which processes $10 to $20 billion in daily trading volume across over 350 coins. However, CX platforms custody your funds, exposing them to potential hacks, though leaders like Coinbase offer strong protections, including FDIC-insured USD balances up to $250,000 and additional insurance coverage. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, like Uniswap launched in 2018, let you retain full custody of your assets via transparent smart contracts on Ethereum, boosting privacy and resistance to censorship. Yet, DEX often involve tricky wallet setups like MetaMask, elevated gas fees that can hit $5 to $50 on Ethereum, and generally lower liquidity, leading to slippage compared to centralized options. Traditional stock exchanges like the NYSE and NASDAQ, founded in 1971 as the first electronic exchange, are accessed through brokers such as Fidelity, Robinhood, or Charles Schwab, giving access to thousands of stocks and ETFs. With these diverse options from CX to DEX to stock exchanges, how do you select the right one for your specific investment goals and risk level? Let's break down the essential factors to guide you. Security comes first and foremost. Prioritize exchanges with two-factor authentication, cold storage keeping 90% or more of funds offline, and proven resilience against hacks like those seen in the industry. Kraken, established in 2011, exemplifies this with its robust security measures, drawing vital lessons from past failures, such as the Mt. Gox hack in 2014 that lost 850,000 BTC. Next up, scrutinize fees including trading commissions, withdrawal costs, and maker-taker models, as they can eat into your profits. Maker fees as low as 0.02%. Takers up to 0.2%. Binance leads with ultra-competitive fees around 0.1% for spot trading, making it a favorite, whereas Coinbase structure starts higher at 0.5 to 4.5%, better suited for beginners despite the premium. Liquidity and trading volume are vital for tight spreads of 0.01 to 0.1% and smooth trade execution. High-volume platforms ensure your orders fill quickly without major price impacts. According to CoinMarketCap, Binance dominates as the #1 exchange by volume with 76 million users, while Coinbase ranks in the top for globally. User interface matters greatly. Do you want Coinbase simple, intuitive app ideal for newbies with big buttons, or Binance's advanced charting tools packed with indicators for deeper analysis? Evaluate the breadth of supported assets and pairs too. Binance boasts over 350 coins and 1,500 trading pairs, while stockbrokers unlock thousands of equities and ETFs across exchanges. Regulation is crucial post the FTX collapse in 2022 involving $8 billion in fraud. Choose licensed platforms compliant in your jurisdiction to safeguard your investments. Coinbase and Kraken stand out as FinCEN registered in the US, alongside EU licensing, offering essential regulatory oversight and user protections.
Reliable customer support is key. Seek 24/7 live chat options with strong feedback, such as Kraken's Impressive A+ rating from independent reviewers.
Reputation rounds it out. Check uptime stats nearing 99.9%, founding history for stability, and overall public trust built over years in the volatile markets. Empower your choice with research tools like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, which deliver comprehensive rankings, volumes, and in-depth exchange profiles. Start conservatively with a small deposit, say $100, or a demo account to test the platform's feel and features before scaling up your commitments. Diversify smartly across asset types, sectors, and even multiple exchanges to spread risks and capture varied opportunities in stocks and cryptos. Always embrace DYOR. Do your own research by reviewing SEC filings for stocks or project white papers for cryptocurrencies to verify fundamentals. Selecting the optimal exchange is a pivotal move in your trading adventure, profoundly affecting your security, expenses, and day-to-day experience. By methodically assessing security, fees, liquidity, UI, asset variety, regulation, support quality, and solid reputation, you'll land on the perfect match. Ultimately, the ideal exchange aligns precisely with your personal needs, experience level, and comfort with risk in this dynamic investing landscape. This video is for informational purposes only and not investment advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any decisions.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.